Hello, my name is Solomon Darme. I attend in college at the University of North Texas, studying electrical engineering, minoring in mathematics and business. Today, I'm going to be talking about investigating the embedded software in medical devices. What is embedded software in medical devices? Embedded software in medical devices refers to software that is used to control and manage the functionality of a medical device. This software is typically built into the device and is designed to perform specific functions such as monitoring patient vital signs, controlling drug delivery, or providing diagnostic information. The embedded software is an essential component of the device as it enables the device to perform its intended function. It is also it is also subject to regulatory requirements and standards to ensure that it is safe, effective, and compliant with relevant regulations. Important of investigating better software in medical devices. There are a few importance there are a few importance I came up with. Um, One, patient safety. Embedded software control the functionality of the patient device, and any bugs, errors, and vulnerabilities in the software can potentially harm patient. Investigating the software can help identify and mitigate potential risks to patient safety. Another important important of investigating embedded software in medical devices is regulatory compliance. Medical devices are subject to a range of regulation and standards to ensure their safety and effectiveness. Investigating the embedded software can help ensure that the medical device is compliant with the regulations and standards. Another important of investigating software in medical devices is the quality assurance. Investigating the embedded software can help identify any issues or problems with the software, such as bugs or errors, and work to improve the overall quality and reliability of the software. Another important is innovation and improvement. Investigating the embedded software can help identify importance or opportunities for innovation and improvement in the design and implementation of software, which can lead to better patient outcomes and more effective medical devices. Another important of another important of embedded software in medical devices is that collaborations. Another important of investigating embedded software in medical devices is the collaboration and communication. Investigating the embedded software involves collaboration and communication with a range of stakeholders, including healthcare professionals, patients, and regulatory bodies. This can help ensure that the software meets the needs and expectations of these stakeholders and is effective in its internet use. The goals of my research are to ensure that the software is reliable, secure, and perform as intended in medical devices. Testing medical devices for potential vulnerability. Identify areas for improvement and ensure that the software meets regulatory standards. The goal is to make sure that the software is safe and effective for use in medical devices. Identifying potential risks or hazards that could arise from the use of software. This could be testing software under different conditions to see how it performs, as well as identifying any potential investigation and interactions with other devices or software that could cause problems. The ultimate arms is to ensure that the software is safe and effective for use in medical devices and that it doesn't pose any risks to patients or users. Another goal is to improve quality of the software. This could involve identifying areas where the software could be optimized or made more efficient, as well as identifying any bugs or issues that needs to be fixed. The aim is to make sure that the software is as reliable and effective as possible and that it provides accurate and consistent results. Another goal is to ensure that the software is compatible with other devices and systems. This could involve testing the software under different conditions to see how it interacts with other devices, as well as identifying any potential issues that could arise from a compatibility problem. The aim is to make sure that the software can be used effectively with other devices and systems, and that it doesn't cause any problem or disruptions. Another goal is to ensure that the software is user-friendly and easy to use. This could involve testing the software with different users to see how easy it is to navigate and use, as well as identifying any potential issues that could arise from usability problems. The arms is to make sure that the software is intuitive and easy to use so that users can operate it effectively and efficiently. Another goal is to ensure that the software in medical devices are secure and protected against potential threats. This could involve testing the software for potential vulnerabilities, as well as identifying any potential risks or threats that could arise from the use of software. The aim is to make sure that the software is as secure and protected as possible so that users can trust that their data and information is safe. Next is my methods and tools. The methods and tools are static analysis, dynamic analysis, penetration testing, requirements testing, code review, model-based testing. What is static analysis? Static analysis, this involves analyzing the source code of the software to identify potential issues or vulnerabilities. Tools that can be used for static analysis include Coverity, Closework, and SonarQube. The next method and tools is dynamic analysis. Dynamic analysis, this involves analyzing the behavior of the software while it is running to identify potential issues or vulnerabilities. Tools that can be used for dynamic analysis, including Vagrant, Pharmacy, and AFC. My next methods and tools are penetration testing. This involves testing the software to identify potential security vulnerabilities and determine whether they can be exploited. Tools that can be used for penetration testing include Metasploit analysis and OpenVAS. My next method and tools is requirements testing. Requirement testing, this involve testing the software against the requirements and specification for the device to ensure that it meets the necessary standards. Tools that can be used for requirement testing include Rational Quality Manager, Jamar, and Spiral Team. My next methods and tools is code review. Code review, this involves reviewing the source code of their software to identify potential issues or vulnerabilities. Tools that can be used for code review, including Crunchable, Code Collaborator, and Review Core. The next method and tools is model-based testing. This involves creating a model of the device and using it to simulate different scenarios and test the software. Tools that can be used for model-based testing include Simulink, Stateflow, and Rhapsody. The next is case study. A case study is Teradek 25 radiation therapy machine. The radiation therapy, the Teradek 25 radiation therapy machine, which was involved in several accidents in the 1980s due to a software bug. The software was designed to control the amount of radiation delivered to patients. But a race condition in the code caused the machine to deliver massive overdoses of radiation in several cases, resulting in the death of some patients and serious injuries to others. The case highlights the importance of thorough testing and validation of medical devices software, as well as the need for effective communication between software developers and medical professionals. And next is my conclusion. The investigation of embedded software in medical devices is important to ensure that the software is reliable, effective, compatible, user-friendly, and secure. By testing and analyzing the software, we can identify any potential issues or problems and work to improve the overall quality of the software. This helps to ensure that the medical devices are safe and effective for use by healthcare professionals and patients alike. Certainly, in addition to the goals mentioned earlier, investigating the embedded software in medical devices can also help to ensure that the software is compliant with relevant regulations and standards. This could involve testing the software against specific requirements and guidelines, as well as identifying any potential issues that could arise from non-compliance. The aims is to make sure that the software meets all necessary regulatory requirements and standards so that it can be used safely and effectively. And that makes the end of my presentation. Thank you so much, guys.